Welcome to our Negotiation Conference 2018.
Remember your goals. So sometimes you have to deal with somebody who is very detached, who is very aloof, who is even rejecting. Know what your goal is. You don't have to like someone to form a bond with them.
I'm a police officer, and I have some training and experience in crisis and hostage negotiation. I've been part of some pretty complex incidents that required a positive resolution. Now, I'm not naturally a great communicator. This was a skill that I needed to learn. But really, we all need to learn the basics of crisis negotiation.
So ein Balkon in einer Villa in Wittikon. Das war mein erstes Projekt. Ich habe diesen Balkon projektiert, ob es eine Brücke wäre. Das heißt, dass Sie können eine Aufgabe, die relativ bescheiden erscheint, aber es kann ein Laboratorium sein für eine größere Aufgabe. Nicht nur eine sehr hohe Gebäude, sondern eine sehr schöne Gebäude. Ein Gebäude, die sollte zu Dubai und zu der Welt sein, das was vor mehr als 100 Jahren La Tour Eiffel war.
I really enjoyed very much being here today.
Very good occasion and opportunity to come together with a group of high-profile people sharing with us their experiences on tough and difficult negotiations.
It's an amazing energy.
There were a lot of case studies which I could use every day.
It's so inspiring what happens here.
It's one of my highlights in the year, and I'm really truly looking forward to next year's event.
It's so worth it.